All right, good morning. In case you don't know who I am your socially awkward seller, but you know that. I sold 4 things that I'm shipping out this morning. I thought I'd share those with you. The first thing is this pair of Noah's Ark, they're Fisher-Price Little People Noah's Ark zebras. Those sold for $7.59 plus shipping. This bird bath de-icer sold for $24.99 plus shipping. I sold another pair of the Sunbeam Mixmaster dough hooks. Those sold for $14.24 plus shipping. And then I took a best offer for this Tyco vintage 1993 dollhouse furniture for $15 plus shipping. So those are the 4 things that I'm going to ship out this morning. And I'm hoping to get my inventory put away and about 10 items or so drafted this morning. I'd like to get 10 items listed, but I don't know how that's going to play out. So fortunately, I don't really have a lot of other things to do, but I'm sure I will. Like, I'll find some reason to go out and go to the thrift store or something, because that's what I do. But at this point, I don't have to do that, so I'm going to get to shipping these, and then I think I'll start putting my inventory away. So I'll check back with you in just a bit. Okay, it is almost 3 o'clock, not quite. I've been kind of lazy today, a little bit lazy today. I did go ahead and put all my inventory away, so that is done. And I have started to make a dent in the mess that's here. I've listed 3 things on Facebook Marketplace today. And I have drafted, I think, like 6 or 7 listings. And then I'm getting ready to draft these. But I wanted to show you these and remind you not to overlook things like this if you're okay with shipping things that are heavy or larger. These aren't tremendously big, but these are Closet Made brand drawers that go into those closet systems that you can have installed in your home. And these drawers, I think, retail for about $60 each. I bought them for $3 each. They are still sealed, and I'm getting ready to list. I have 2 of these. I'm getting ready to list those on Facebook. And I think I'm going to ask about $30 a piece on these. So don't overlook things like this. Don't be afraid to go, you know, outside of what you're normally used to. As long as something like this is still sealed, so there's no question about whether or not all the hardware or pieces are there, you should be fine. Again, I'm going to list these for about $30 a piece, I think. Maybe a little more. Who knows? I have had some sales today, and I will show you those in the morning. I'm just about finished for the day because my back is telling me that I am. I'm going to list these, clean up a little bit because I pulled some things out, and then I'm done until it's time to cook dinner. So it's been an okay day. I'm all right with the amount of work that I got done because you can only do what you can do, right? I'm not very funny today. I've just been very serious. Oh, I just sold another item. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you being here. And just remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming, keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks. Bye.